Hello and welcome to another update video about Matic. It is struggling to push higher here, still possible though. We have off this 10th of March low our 5-wave move to the upside. You can call that an impulse. Then I'm counting the move down as an A wave, the move up as a B wave, and the move down here currently as a probably still unfolding C wave. Or it bottomed here, which was on Tuesday, but it's just basically moving sideways, right? What I cannot rule out is that this is even some kind of a B-wave triangle of some sorts, which would then still result in a C-wave to the downside. The key is that a break below the $1 level would unlock prices again all the way down to 87 cents. And below that, we might be talking about 60 cent, the 60 cent range. If that gets more obvious, then I will add another support or target area on the chart, but it is a little bit too early for that. This currently looks like a triangle which is unfolding, even though it might not be an Elliott wave triangle. Certainly you can add these trend lines, and it's getting squeezed here and squeezed into the apex, or at least in a very, very tight range. So we need a signal here of a breakout to indicate where it's going. Currently, corrective price action, absolutely. So it does not yet indicate that the third wave rally has started. I'm labeling it as that at the moment, but this could be all sorts of different stuff. As I showed you, it could even be an Elliott wave triangle in a B wave, which would result in a C wave sell-off. How would we actually label that? Well, it's actually not too difficult, I guess, on this one. So here the A wave to the upside, a B wave down. We could label this as a C wave, D wave, and E wave, and we might already be on our way down, or the E actually here. But these triangles can always extend out. What you need is basically an indication that the triangle is breaking or broken. And to be honest, if I zoom in a little bit, it might just be doing that right now. Now, okay, that indicates that either it's breaking now, or it is extending, and I might have to shift the D wave back over here. So, but yeah, it's not the clearest of triangles, certainly, but it's just sideways action, sideways range. So the comments of the previous video remain valid. We can be focused on the upside against the $1 level. But it doesn't look like as if the wave 2 is already finished, because if the wave 2 had finished, the wave 3 should now show a strong rally, which it isn't doing. Yeah, and I mean, if I zoom out a bit, this is anyway a very, very strange chart structure that we have here. In the short term, doesn't look very convincing. So we need to see if we drop below, again, if we drop below $1, 87 cents will be the next key support. And below that level, I'd be looking at relevant support here in the region of around, yeah, sort of 68 cents to 75. That is sort of a lot of historical support you'll find there. If you take a look at this, right, we've got all these touch points in this area, and this is going to be strong support in my opinion, in this range here. A drop below that would lead to possibly a much deeper drop, possibly all the way to those swing lows from back in July. So we talk about, yeah, maybe another 30% drop or even more. But the thing is, if we come close to these areas again, well, then we probably have the entire crypto market selling off and continuing with new bear market lows. So let's see if we can, first of all, hold the $1 level. I mean, at the moment, the support area is holding, even if that small triangle breaks to the downside. But yeah, fact is, at the moment, we're above support. And ideally, it's holding the either $1.06 level, that's the golden ratio, or the $1 level at $1, the 78.6 retracement, right? If the third wave rally can start from here, then we will certainly have resistance at the B wave high, which is 156, and target wise for that third wave here, I mean, we're talking about probably, 158 at least, and that's quite a coincidence, actually quite an overlap with that B wave high here, which was marked on the 18th of February. Yeah. So bigger picture shows that we possibly rallied here in a wave That's the dog. If you hear the dog in the background, it's not me. Probably dreaming. Just carry on. Wave 1 to the upside here into August, and then we came down in an A wave, overshooting B wave, and we're now coming down in the C wave, right? So this would be the way I look at it at the moment, a running flat, and based on that, the support area on the 10th of March held, but it could easily morph into an expanded flat where the C wave goes below the A wave low. But then we talk about a very, very strong sell-off, okay? So that's only one of these scenarios. There are other ones. For example, I could say that we did something like this, wave 1 here, yeah? And then A wave, this was the overshooting B wave, and this was the C wave, and this is another 1-2 setup. So there are different possibilities, but they don't differ that much. They would all be focused on the upside, but there will be a point down here somewhere where the chart will turn bearish, and we're gonna take a look at that. Well, maybe let's just do that now, because I want to give you the key level that Matic should avoid really to drop below. And this would be the 48-cent level. Yeah, the 78.6 retrace of that wave 1. If it goes below that level, I mean, that is a 50 to 60% drop more, around about 60% from here, maybe even a bit more. Let's measure that. Where are we now? Yeah, okay, 55% drop. If we go lower than that, then we probably have a strong case to continue with the bear market. But you can see how much Matic needs to drop to actually get into that sort of dangerous territory. So it is a very strong chart, also quite long-term, actually quite a good chart, decent chart. So, but it's just a bit strange what happened here. It's not the best structure. It's a bit of a strange one. Yeah, but yeah, we'll observe that for you. So I'll keep you updated. Certainly, first of all, we need to be watching, do we hold the $1 level, and then a break above the triangle plus a B wave high here at 125 would indicate the onset of the third wave with a target around 158. Okay, that's my update about Matic. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.